Good morning and welcome to Paul T's World. And in this video I get to try out some electric pruners, secateurs. And I've got a lot of trees and shrubs that need pruning, and so when Prunarbo approached me to see if I would give a review on their electric secateurs, or pruners as they call them, I thought, yeah, let's give it a go and see whether they're worthwhile. Just to let you know that I'm not getting paid for this review, but I do get to keep the secateurs, which I'm obviously quite pleased about. Prunarbo sent me their extension pole, and I am really interested to see how well that's going to work, because I've got an apple tree that needs some serious pruning. Now usually I use some loppers on a pole, some extension loppers, or indeed in the past I've climbed the tree, but I really think my tree climbing days should be over. And here are the secateurs, a serious piece of kit. You'll notice I haven't put the battery in yet, as I'm not going to put the battery in until I'm actually using them, because obviously you've got to be really careful with electric secateurs. A double click and it starts. There are two settings for the blades, fully open and half open. Hold down for 6 seconds to close the blade. The batteries are quite heavy duty and compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, which power all Prunarbo products. The blades make a really nice clean cut, from small twigs up to 50mm branches. I find 40mm is fine with one good cut. And 50mm needs 2 goes. The handle's quite comfortable to use, and also there's foam here on the bottom part of the extension pole that you would be holding. When I was first using the locking mechanism, it didn't hold the pole securely, but now I see, I'll just change hands here, how easy it is to just adjust it on here. So you unlock it, like so, and then this adjusts so easily to get it just the tension you want, so that you can easily lock it, but it holds securely. As I say, it is spring loaded, the top one at least. Yeah, nice and solid, like it. Let's just see if the second one's spring loaded. Yes, it is, they're both spring loaded. I like the easy way that you can change the angle of the secateurs. Yeah, it seems well made, the pole and also the secateurs. Reasonably heavy duty. Whether it would do for a professional, I don't know, but certainly for a gardener like me, with a reasonable sized garden, I would say they're adequate. Apart from the secateurs, we had 2 batteries, which was excellent. A split charger, so you can charge both of them at the same time. Instruction manual, a sharpening stone, a spare blade. This is really good. So there we are, a spare blade, sharpening stone for the blades, and Allen keys for changing the blade here. And basically this side. You've got everything to get your garden nicely pruned with a bit of effort because of the weight of this. However, you're not constantly squeezing and putting strain on your hand. Just simply a little press of the trigger and you've got the branch, the twig cut. Oh, and I nearly forgot, they provided a strap for the extension pole. A little bottle for the lubricating fluid. The bottle will come empty because they cannot post these bottles with the fluid inside. I actually bought this silver hook chainsaw chain oil. I got that on Amazon, got a link in the description below. I'm actually really pleased with this setup, particularly for big pruning jobs such as my apple tree. I've left a link in the description below just in case you'd like to find out more information. And I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.